I eat breakfast every morning. I eat breakfast every morning.
I drink coffee in the morning. I drink coffee in the morning.
I cook rice for dinner. I cook rice for dinner.
I eat fruit every day. I eat fruit every day.
I wash my hands before eating. I wash my hands before eating.
I love eating noodles. I love eating noodles.
I make a sandwich for breakfast. I make a sandwich for breakfast.
I drink water when I am thirsty.
I buy vegetables at the market. I buy vegetables at the market.
I cook soup for my family. I cook soup for my family.
I eat lunch at school. I eat lunch at school.
I eat vegetables every day. I eat vegetables every day.
I love spicy food. I love spicy food.
I drink milk every morning. I drink milk every morning.
I put sugar in my tea. I put sugar in my tea.
I eat ice cream on hot days. I eat ice cream on hot days.
I cook eggs in the morning. I cook eggs in the morning.
I enjoy eating with my family. I enjoy eating with my family.
I try new food when I travel. I try new food when I travel.
I eat slowly and enjoy my meal. I eat slowly and enjoy my meal.
I am hungry right now. I am hungry right now.
Can I have some more rice? Can I have some more rice?
My mom cooks delicious food. My mom cooks delicious food.
I feel full after eating. I feel full after eating.
I love the smell of fresh bread. I love the smell of fresh bread.
I eat healthy food every day. I eat healthy food every day.
I drink juice in the afternoon. I drink juice in the afternoon.
I enjoy cooking at home. I enjoy cooking at home.
Good food makes me happy. Good food makes me happy.
I love every meal of the day. I love every meal of the day.